In this video we look at the test mode of a scavenger hunt. As long as you have not published your scavenger hunt, you as a scavenger hunt organizer can run the scavenger hunt in test mode. You can test the scavenger hunt at any time without having to provide all the information in the planning tool beforehand. The scavenger hunt test code will be displayed at the top right next to the Publish button. If you have the Nebolus app installed on your smartphone, just open it and enter the test code as soon as you are asked for the scavenger hunt code. Now your scavenger hunt will be downloaded to your smartphone and you can test the scavenger hunt without publishing it in advance. And you can do this from the comfort of your home, because in test mode you can complete the stations by either skipping them, using the button at the bottom right, or by scanning the QR code displayed in the planning tool or entering the numerical code. If you notice any need for changes in the test mode, for example, you would like to replace the uploaded images or adjust the texts you have entered, you can make these changes while in test mode in the planning tool. Use this opportunity to get an impression of your scavenger hunt from time to time during the creation process. Before you make the scavenger hunt available to your scavenger hunt participants for the first time, you should definitely check the scavenger hunt for functionality and do a test run on site. Good luck with your scavenger hunt test run.